Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Troubleshooting the P0710 transmission fluid temperature sensor circuit malfunction. The P0710 diagnostic trouble code, DDC, indicates a malfunction in the transmission fluid temperature, TFT, sensor circuit. This sensor plays a vital role in your vehicle's transmission performance and longevity. When the engine control unit, ECU, or transmission control module, TCM, detects a voltage reading from the TFT sensor that is out of the expected range, too high, too low, or fluctuating wildly, it sets the P0710 code. This can trigger the check engine light, cell, and potentially affect your vehicle's shift patterns, overall performance, and fuel economy. This comprehensive guide will walk you through diagnosing and resolving the P0710 code. We'll cover the sensor's function, potential causes, troubleshooting steps, testing procedures, and repair solutions. While some steps can be performed by experienced DIers, others might require specialized tools and expertise, suggesting professional assistance. Understanding the transmission fluid temperature, TFT, sensor. The TFT sensor is a thermistor, a type of resistor whose resistance changes predictably with temperature. It's usually located inside the transmission